Patrick. Together we are JP Adventures 19. We just finished working, picking apples, and now back at it! We want to get it done! So we are busy grinding out the sides and the top of our roof. Yele, how do you feel? I hate it. I'm sore from picking apples. Now I use the same muscles to grind this down. I'm just done. I'm done, Patrick. You're almost there. So this is our bottom. We try to flip it. And then this is our roof, which will go on top, so we can put it back into the shed later. We're working with 2 grinders, a 9-inch one and an oversized one. And we're finally almost done. Cut the string the last bit. We grind it down all the strings on the outside, between the trees. So we have to weld on some supports. Almost all done. So we can weld on the supports maybe tonight and get the roof up tomorrow. Our roof is ready to go up there. The boys helping us and the farmers obviously. Wish us luck! Off we go! Woohoo!
Easier probably is to swing the water. Advice? Pretty good.
Yeah, 1 more mil, 2 more mils this way.
I don't think so.
Look at that.
Woo! How are you feeling?
Excited.
This time he's even wearing a welding jacket.
Yeah, that's new.
So the forklift is still holding up the roof. And now we'll spot weld it onto the corners. And as you can see, we have a bow, a bend in it, in the middle. So we'll weld it on properly later on all 4 corners, and then we'll try to push it up with 2 metal things we'll show you later. And hopefully that works and it will be flat again.
Check it out. The roof is on, finally.
We have a roof over our heads.
Slowly we're getting there. Now we only need to get rid of this little bend here. So we're trying to push the roof up so it's gonna be straight with these ones. It looks like now, and we'll show you the result after we cut all the bars. We're done picking. The bad thing is it's always dark afterwards, so we have to work in the dark with floodlights. And today we will actually weld in the supports for the windows on the right height, hopefully. And that's about it, probably. Then we draw a line onto the steel and then we'll weld it in. That's the plan. The first support is in place. It fits perfectly, and this magnetic 90-degree angle holds it up. And now we're gonna weld it on. Patrick's ready. The first window is almost done. We will weld one more support in here, the size of the window. So what we did, the window, the hole has to be 60 centimeters, 600 mil, but we'll leave a tiny gap on the top and the bottom on every side, pretty much another 6 millimeters, which we will be filling with kind of like a foam, which will expand. In the background you can hear Patrick grinding. Everything has to be right, like every millimeter is important, and we measured 10 times, it's insane, but yeah, we want it to be fine and like perfect. So 2 windows are in, the kitchen and the bedroom window, and now we're working on the door. So this is gonna be our door, and we'll end it around here. And that bar was 1.5 millimeters too long, so he'll grind it down and then we'll try again and then spot weld it in. This welding magnet is so good to have. It's 90 degrees or 45 degrees, depends on how you use it, and it's really strong. It is Anzac Day today and we have a week off, no more apples that need to get picked. So we hope we can get a lot of work done on the Unimog, putting back everything of the chassis, which we took apart, and also we want to make big steps. And the box, this is what it's looking like at the moment. We already added some of the window supports.
She loves our new box so much that she started working on videos right next to it. How does it feel working next to your new home?
Good. I'd rather work inside, but can't. Patrick was very busy today fixing the welder. This is a different one. He basically fixed two welders. And also we cut those metal bars last night and he grinded off the sides today. As you can see here, it makes welding a lot easier. And these will be the angles to make it even more stable, and some supports for the windows. These are gonna go in today. It looks more and more like our home. We can't believe it. As you could see, we spot welded in 2 more window supports. So this is now the exact size of the window. We gave it 6 mil on each side extra, so the window is supposed to fit for sure. The thing is, we couldn't continue working because the welder didn't melt through the metal anymore. So now Patrick's on it, trying to fix it. And if you want to see what that looks like, have a look. So basically we got 2 welders and both didn't work properly, so he took the one part out of this one, puts it in this one, and then at the end we should have one that works perfectly fine, but we'll see. So this is what it looks like. Lots of wiring going on. Patrick loves it. Alright, today's the day. We're gonna put the box onto the tray. Is the fork gonna be able to do it? It's a bit of a special construction in there.
Whoa!
Ooh.
You got the center of gravity right.
In the air.
Top. There we go, Patrick.
Got plenty of room on the pallet.
How far do we need to go to the left? To my left?
Got about that much.
What's going on here?
All right.
Yeah.
The box is sitting on the tray. The reason why we do this is because we're gonna weld the sides on, and the box needs to be flat on the ground, so when the sides are on it won't move at all, and this is the best way to do it, so it's gonna fit onto the tray. And actually this is the first time we see it on the tray and it looks pretty good. Our measurements look all right and we're very happy with it. So unreal. Look at this. Welcome to the JP Adventures 19 house. Let's go inside.
How do you like your new house?
I love it. Especially that window. Good view. This is amazing, Patrick. So we're using this to drill through the steel sheet so we can attach it to the tray through these holes.
Our delivery girl has arrived. She walked all the way to Bunbury just to get
Look at this.
big bolts.
What are you gonna use them for?
We're going to put them in the tray, or in the box, try and stick them all the way through into the tray to fasten it. Right?
Yeah, we got some long ones as well. Time for some more grinding. Patrick started, and there's just a few seams left before we can actually start cutting the metal sheet. Let's go!